Hey, happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Let's jump right back into it.
Let's do it.
Matt and Mike. So today I'm going to give you 5 golf items or brands.
Okay.
And you're going to put them in order from when they first came out to most recent. So oldest will be first. The most recent will be last.
Okay.
So you're just going to rank it 1 through 5.
Oh my. Let's hope we got some persimmon woods or something like that.
Here we go. Well,
right.
First one is just the brand Nike Golf.
Nike Golf. Well, that's a good one. Nike Golf probably didn't start until Tiger Woods, really. So that's in the mid '90s. So you said the newest one has got to be 5.
It will be 5.
Something's gonna come out newer. Like you might throw PXG at me. So I'm gonna go 4.
4?
4.
4. Okay. Next one is Peter Millar, the brand.
Peter Millar. Jeez, I would think it's younger than Tiger Woods. I mean, I didn't start. I bought Nike before I bought Peter Millar. Shoot, I have to go 5.
I have to go 5.
And I'm not gonna get a. Do I get a 6 or a 7?
You don't get a 6 or a 7,
Oh, gosh,
so
I'm in
looks like we're going older from here on out.
Let's hope.
Next one is the first Callaway golf ball.
Let's go with 1.
1,
I don't
oldest.
know. Yeah,
Oldest
well,
one.
I don't know. I probably should say 2. I'm gonna go 2.
Okay.
Change it to 2.
Next one is the first FootJoy term to be used on a shoe.
Was FootJoy older than Callaway? I have no idea. My gosh, I have no idea. 3. I'm thinking you're going to throw me the oldest one next.
Okay. Next one is a triplex greens mower
Oh, it's probably
by Jacobsen.
not the oldest.
Not a plug.
But that's got to be number 1. That's the only
gotta
one I
be
have
number
left.
one.
This,
Okay.
I did so bad here. This is bad.
All right. The oldest is actually FootJoy. Back in 1923, the name FootJoy was first used.
Okay.
Second is the first mower by Jacobsen in 1969.
Wasn't bad. I had those 1 and 2.
Third is Nike Golf at 1984.
I thought about doing that.
And then it goes Callaway Golf Ball in 2000, and then Peter Millar in 2001.
Yeah, well, it's
So,
good.
pretty
Now,
close.
lucky I didn't need a 6.
Luckily, you didn't need a 6.
Okay.
No. Good job.
Thank you. It was as easy as an easy mark.